Hey guys, this is Lewis from LMB Productions. Want to do a quick video, a super fast video on how to construct a homepage using Theme Nectar's Salient theme. I kind of wanted to show off the amazing features of the new Salient Studio. Been around for a little bit, but I've never seen anybody really utilize it after they're done with the copywriting process and their storyboard process. And for me, we kind of combine wireframing and after we mostly just finish the copywriting and then we finish some versions of the storyboarding, whether it be just through hand. We mostly just do it through hand, and then we use the Salient Studio. We lean on that to kind of look through different designs after we have the messaging down. So let's just say we have all that down, the messaging down, and let's just say we're at the point where we're just using Salient Studio to finish the design, right? So let's get right to it. So we have a hero section, right? So I'm gonna try and do all this very quickly under a certain amount of time. So let's just say we'll use that one. It's one of my favorites. Okay, and we're just gonna kind of use the templates because I wanted to kind of show you the power of it. Okay, then we go back to Salient templates, right? And then we say we wanted a quote, right, in the middle, like a really cool quote or something right after. So we'll do that. And then say we want a alternating split section, which is one of my favorites to use because you can have a picture, verbiage, right? To kind of further explain things. There we go. And sometimes it kind of looks a little scrunched, and then you have to kind of like save and publish, and then it looks a little when using the front end editor. Let me see. And then say we want some milestones. There we go. Just use that one real quick. And then say we want clients or like that, the featured people that we've worked with kind of thing, right? We'll just do like a simple client carousel. And then we'll look at the icons for benefits, right? I love the icon with SFG draw animation for columns. It's great. It's one of my favorite ones. And these icons actually draw themselves, so it's pretty cool. And then we're gonna have, let's see, we'll have testimonials at the bottom. I love this one. Creative testimonials with shape divider. It's beautiful. It creates a nice touch for CTA separation as well. And then we have a call to action, right? Which I really like. There's a couple that I really like. Let's use the image background simple CTA. And it looks something like this, right, at the end. So those are the things that I use. I thought it would be it's a simple, powerful template that you could take and start using on your own. Again, this is after copywriting done, after the messaging is done, after all that's done, and then you can just use this kind of design to maybe for inspiration to base it off of yours. I've seen this style of template, work well for people, especially when you're just starting out with things. CTA here. Looks really cool. So I hope that helped kind of give you some ideas. I just wanted to show you some specifics in Salient Studio, how you would use it, how it would look as an end result. And yeah, so hope that helped and gave you some ideas. So gave you some insight on Salient Studio, how else you would use it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if this was helpful. Thank you.